Hi everyone! If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more video updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fabricate an Ethernet cable. But before that, I'll explain to you first the two types of Ethernet cable. We have crossover and the straight-through cable. So what is the difference between the two cables? We use the straight-through cable to connect different devices such as PC to router, PC to switch, then router to switch. While the crossover cable, it is used to connect similar devices like PC to PC, router to router, switch to switch. Then before we proceed to the fabrication of cable, what are the tools and materials that we need? So we have the crimping tool. Next is the UTP cable or the Cat5e cable. Then we have the connectors or the RJ45. Then lastly is the LAN tester. Okay, so in every task that we're going to do, safety is our priority. Therefore, always follow the safety precautions to avoid accident. So let us avoid horseplaying, use the tool properly, always be on task, be vigilant, then always be careful, be aware, and be safe. Okay, let's start with the fabrication of our cable. Let's go. Okay, so we have 6 steps in fabricating an Ethernet cable. First is we're going to cut the plastic sheet 1 inch from the end of the cut cable. Then the crimping tool has a razor blade that will do the trick with practice. So here's the end sheet of the cable. Then from there, we're going to use my thumb to get the 1 inch from the line of my thumb. There, I'm going to remove the cable from there using the crimping tool. So I'm gonna insert it here and then twist it until the sheet is removed. So that's the trick. Then make sure that the cable wires is not cut or damaged, because if it is damaged, it won't work. Okay, next step is unwind and pair the similar colors. So there. So we're going to unwind the cables. Then we're going to arrange them into its proper color coding. And that is the step 3. So pinch the wires between your fingers and straighten them out. As shown, the color order is important to do this correctly. So we're going to make a crossover cable. So here's the color combination for the crossover cable. So we have the white orange, orange, white green, blue, green, white brown, then brown. Then after arranging the colors to its proper position, let's pinch the wires until they straightened up. Okay, so once you straighten the wires, use a wire cutter to make a straight cut across the wires, 1/2 inch from the cut sleeve to the end of the wires. So 1/2 inch from the sheet or sleeve, wire sleeve. Then let's check again the color if they are still on the proper position. Then Then let's use the crimping tool to cut the wires. There. So let's double check the color if the combination are still in their proper places. Okay, white orange, orange, white green, blue, green, white brown, and brown. Okay, so then the next step is push the wires into the connector. Each wire fits into a slot in the RJ45 connector. Note the position of the blue plastic shielding, or it depends upon the color. Then also note how the wires go all the way to the end. Okay, so after we pushed in the cables into the RJ45, take view from the top, which is the step 6. Make sure the wires are all the way in. There should be no short wires. Then after we check the top view, again, let's double check the color combination if they are in their proper places. Then after checking it, insert the cable and the RJ45 in the crimping tool. Then firmly squeeze the crimper's handle together until you can't go any further. Then that's it. Let's do it again on the other side. So again, let's follow the 6 steps. Then this time we're going to use the other color combination. So we're going to use the straight through combination. Since we're going to create a crossover, the color combination of each side must be different. Okay, that's it. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to test the cable using the LAN tester. Okay, let's insert the cable here, then here. So once you inserted the cables or the connectors in the LAN tester, we're going to turn on the tester. Okay, as you can see, there are numbers in our tester which indicates the line or wire cables or the position of the cables. So you will know if the cable is working if there will be a light in each indicator. Oh, as you can see, I have a bit problem here because for some reason the last indicator of my LAN tester is not working. Though I'll assure you that my cable is working because we double checked the wire if there will be a damage or none before we pushed it in our RJ45. Okay, so next is we're going to test the straight through so that you can see the difference between the two. So we're gonna insert it again, the cables here to check. So the difference is straight through cable. As you can see, the light indicators of each or both sides are the same pattern, while the crossover is it goes with the same pattern but the other is moving to its different line. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Goodbye!